So once I'm done filling out my form, I'll click register to just create my new account. So once I click on register, you'll also have a notification here on email telling you welcome to Bulla blah blah blah, and then you have a link to where click and login, and also you get an SMS notification. Yeah, so that's how simply you can log in or create an account on Bulla. So Bulla will create for me a company profile which has all the details, and it will log me out automatically to this homepage. So two things to note first is now we have our account which is ready, but we don't have product, we only have one test user, test customer, says a 0, and now you're good to go. So 2 items to show you on Bulla is, first, we have this credit that you're given, a 1 month worth of credit. For me, because I selected the basic plan, I have 3,000 shillings already added onto my Bulla. Non-withdrawable, but it will be used to pay for my tokens. As you know, Bulla uses tokens to deduct. So for the subscription, you'll just be paying up or topping up your tokens to have access. Yeah, so this is Bulla, very nice dashboard. We have all these modules that are available for us in our package, and then you can start now doing stuffs like, for example, in here you can now start to set up either you can start topping up in terms of this. Either way, you can start topping up using card payment or whichever other payment. You can use M-Pesa also to do a prompt, and or even you can use offline payment to pay directly. But if you are in another country, you can automatically you first see your plans here. This is the current plan. So if you're in another country, you can for example, you can just pick automatically you wanna deposit let's say 100 Kenya shillings. You can just top up with card, and then it will ask you to enter your card details and stuff like that. So you have all these. You can use card, you can use Airtel Money, you can use M-Pesa Till and stuff like that, and you can be able to easily top up your account on Bulla. So that's the easiest way of adding or topping up your finances. The second item that I wanted to show you is this one. So after you've just created your account, the next important thing is setting up your account. So in the next tutorial, I'll show you how you can now use this easy edit option menu here to now easily set up your products, set up your store, set up your location, categories and groups and stuffs like that. So see you on the next one.